One senator pointed out today, as the Supreme Court confirmation hearings for Judge Sotomayor began, that of the 110 nominees who preceded her, 106 were white men. Sotomayor is the third woman and the first Latina to be nominated, and that in itself made today's hearing historic. But today, every senator on the Judiciary Committee felt the need to make a lengthy opening statement, so it was afternoon before Judge Sotomayor got to say anything. Jan Crawford Greenberg is at the Capitol tonight. Jan?
Charlie, Judge Sotomayor has spent the past 7 weeks studying constitutional law, meeting privately with 89 different senators, sitting through countless prep sessions, all to get to this moment. After weeks of public silence, Sotomayor was sworn in and took the witness chair.
And now the floor is yours.
To answer critics who have said she will let her feelings and empathy trump her impartiality.
Many senators have asked me about my judicial philosophy. Simple. Fidelity to the law.
Flanked by tearful friends and family, Sotomayor told her life story.
On her own, my mother raised my brother and me. We worked hard.
She was introduced by one of her strongest supporters, who told how she grew up in the projects and was inspired by reading Nancy Drew stories to be outspoken and bold.
Now, in 2009, there are many more role models for a young Cardinal Spellman student to choose from, with Judge Sotomayor foremost among them.
Before she spoke, the senators painted starkly different pictures of Sotomayor. Democrats highlighted her 17 years of experience as a federal judge.
Let no one distort the judge's record.
But Republicans seized on Sotomayor's comments that a wise Latina would reach a better conclusion than a white male. They said her empathy, as President Obama called it, was code. Sotomayor will decide cases based on feelings, not law.
Call it empathy, call it prejudice, or call it sympathy. But whatever it is, it's not law.
But one undecided Republican noted that presidential elections have consequences, and a Democrat is in the driver's seat.
I don't think anybody here worked harder for Senator McCain than I did, but we lost.
With a decisive Democratic majority in the Senate, there is this reality.
Now, unless you have a complete meltdown, you're going to get confirmed.
And unlike any Supreme Court hearing in recent history, this one was disrupted by 4 anti-abortion protesters. They were quickly arrested by Capitol Police, but Charlie, here's an irony. One of them was Norma McCorvey. She was the anonymous Jane Roe in Roe versus Wade. It was her case that guaranteed a woman's right to an abortion.